Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to continue the adaptive UI components. We are making app bar and bottom navigation bar for being adaptive to our theming. Okay, I want to remove this app bar and I want to make a new app bar here from scratch. So I want to make it adaptive, so look like Cupertino design here and being material design in the Android device. We want to set some colors. So I'm going to say if platform, we can differentiate the OS with this platform dot is iOS. I think I have to import it first from IO. Is iOS. If it's iOS, I'm going to say I want the colors transparent. Yeah. And if it's not, I'm going to say I want null value. For shadow color, if platform is iOS, I wanted Cupertino color. Cupertino colors here, yeah. Dark, background gray. And if it's Android or any other OS, I want null. There is another value so called scrolled under elevation in iOS. We want it as 0.1 and we don't want it in any other OS such as Android. For toolbar height, if it's iOS, we wanted 44 and we wanted null for other OS like Android. For background color, I want to get it from theming. So I'm going to say theme of context. I want it from color scheme and I want it inverse primary. For title, I want to say it's a title, example title. I'm going to rerun it again, hard reload it. There's example title here and example. As you can see, the app bar size is changed now, and it's a little bit tricky to notice the difference. So I'm going a little bit further. I'm making action. I want an icon button. There's an on-press and the icon. In icon, I want icons dot navigate next. And for on-press, I'm going to navigate to a sample page so we can see what happened to the app bars here. So I'm going to say navigator dot push context and material route. I want void and I want a builder in it. Build context, and I want to initiate a scaffold. It has app bar, and in the app bar, I want the title, text, second page. I think that's it. Semicolon here and here. Okay, if I rerun it, how to reload it, and we see the style of the icons is different here. And for the next thing, I'm coming here. I will make a navigation item as a sample. I'm going to say final. Let's make it on top. I want final map as string and icon. Navigation items as menu. I want platform. If the platform is iOS, I want icon to be Cupertino icons and house field. And if it's not iOS, I want icon icons.home. So it's a Android icon, material icon. And for orders, which is our second item, I want icon icons dot adaptive yeah, share. So you can either use platform or adaptive icon. I'm going down here. I want to say I want bottom navigation bar. If the platform is iOS, I want Cupertino style tab bar. As for items, I pass navigation items, and I pass the items here. I will map it as entry bottom navigation bar item. I pass entry icon to the value and label to entry.key. So here I will say I want to list, and as for Android, I want navigation bar. For destination, I want navigation items. Again, entries dot map as widget. And our entry is going to want navigation destination. For icons, again, entry.value, and for label, entry.key and .to list. I think you can see it better here. For Cupertino, for current index, we want 0 for default, and we are not going to change the index after changing the item. We just want to see how it looks, and for Android, selected index is 0, and again we are not going to change the index when the items are tapped. If I reload it again, I think we can see the items. Yeah, as you can see, the style of this is for material design, and the style of this is going to look like Cupertino style. I hope you all liked this video. If you like it, give it a like on the video and subscribe for more mobile development contents.